Today we're going to learn the melody for Scarborough Fair and expand to make a more interesting arrangement. This is going to be a three-part lesson where we start with the melody, which sounds like this. So now let's break this down and how to play this melody. Scarborough Fair is a song from the Renaissance, which means it's about 500 years old. So let's start off with the notes we're going to need. Well, we're going to need to play in first position, and at some points we will be in fifth position, and at some points we will be in second position. So let's break down this melody. We're going to start off with the second fret G string, the note A, being played twice. Then we're going to skip the B string and play the high E string twice. And it follows this long, short rhythmic idea. This is how it sounds. Did you hear the long, short? The next three notes are all played on the B string, and it's open B string, first fret B string, open B string. So it sounds like this. Here it is again. Here it is from the beginning. And to round out this phrase, we're going to land on the second fret G string, which is the note where we started. Here is the entire first phrase. Okay. For the next part, we're going to have to shift to third position. Now remember, third position means my first finger is in the third fret, and the other fingers line up one finger per fret. This phrase starts with the open high E string, third fret high E string with the first finger, fifth fret high E string with the third finger. That is following the rules of position. Here it is again, 0, 3, 5. With fingers 1 and 3. The next idea, we're going to take our third finger, which is already in the fifth fret, and put it on the B string. Then we're going to slide on the third finger into the next position. See, now I am in fifth position because my first finger is in the fifth fret. Here it is from the beginning. See how that worked? And then the next note is third fret B string, so I'm back in third position. And then the open high E string. So here is that phrase. Here it is again. The next three notes all occur on the fifth fret high E string with the third finger because we are still in third position. Then I play it a fourth time. Open high E string, and now we're going to play the fifth fret, third finger, third fret, first finger, then I'm going to slide back down to first position. then an open B string. So let's see how that works again. From here. So from the beginning, it sounds like this. The next note is the open G string. Then the 2nd fret G string, open high E string, 3rd fret B string, 1st fret B string, open B string, and then we finish out the song like this: 2, 0, 2 on the G string. Here it is from that open G string, moving toward the end of the piece. Here it is again. So here is the piece from the beginning.